So to create an account on LinkedIn, just visit this domain name linkedin.com. So once you will land on this page, you will see the option here, join now. So click on this option, join now. So now here you will see we have two options. Either you can create your account just from the scratch by using any email or mobile number. Second option is, if you are already using any Google ID, you can directly create your profile on LinkedIn by using that Gmail ID. But I'm using a new ID here for the purpose of creation of our demo account on LinkedIn. Let me just give my email ID here. Keep the strong password and click on this agree and join. Now enter your first name. Click on this continue. Here LinkedIn want to check whether you are a real person or not. So just click on this verify button. Now there is one question. Read this question carefully and answer to that question. So it is asking me to pick the spiral galaxy. So I can see this is the correct option. So let me click on this option. So yes, it has verified my account. Now let us provide more details to the LinkedIn. So it is always better to give more details to the LinkedIn so that it can suggest you more connections, more friends or more professionals when you will grow your, you can say, connections. So first let us give our country. It is by default selected India, or you can select the country to which you belong. So click on this district or city. So just type few characters and you will be able to see your city in the list. Select that city from the list. Click on this next button. So now give your more recent job title. So I can give professor here, and further it will ask you the more information related to your employment. So employment type, so select any, whether it's full-time, part-time, select it accordingly. And which is your recent company, select that as well. And of course it will ask the information from you related to your industry, so try to give that information correctly related to your industry to which you belong. So I'm mentioning here education management. But for example, let us say you are not employed anywhere, you are just a student. So this type of information may not be relevant for your profile. So what LinkedIn has done, it has specifically asked, or it will ask the information from you if you are a student. So if you are a student, then click on this I am a student. Then LinkedIn will capture the relevant information that is more important from the student point of view. So but I am not clicking on this one. So let me click on this continue button. So once again, LinkedIn would like to confirm your email ID, or it want to verify your email ID which you have given in the start of this process. It is saying that it has sent a code to the mail ID which I have provided. So let me go to the mail ID and check whether that code is available there or not. I can see that there is mail from the LinkedIn, and just copy the code from there. Just copy this code and paste it here. Click on this agree and confirm. Now look at here. So LinkedIn is asking, are you looking for a new job? So in your case, if you are looking for a new job, then click on the yes and provide the answer to the relevant questions. But in my case, I'm not clicking here. I'm just selecting not now. Now this step is very important, and here the LinkedIn will provide you, or LinkedIn will suggest you more connections based on the links or the contacts which you already have in the mail ID which you have given here. So connection here means it's the same thing that we are talking in case of Facebook, like friends, but LinkedIn is a professional platform, so it is using the term connections. So it is always better to have more connections. So you can complete this process. Now what will happen if you will click on this continue? So LinkedIn will collect the contacts, and it will show you that these persons are already on LinkedIn, and you can also send the request them for the connection purpose. But as of now, I'm just skipping this process. We complete this process later on as well. Don't worry about this one. So click on this skip button, and yes, I want to skip this button. So now connecting with the people let you see updates and keep in touch. So here, just based on your industry, based on your institution, so LinkedIn will initially suggest you few of the connections or few of the professional with whom you would like to connect. So it is up to you. If you want to select anybody from here, you can just click on this plus button if you know anybody, and click on this add to the connections. But you can also skip this point as well. So just click on the skip button, because later on we will see that with whom I want to connect. So skip this button, and this is the profile picture, or you can say the picture for LinkedIn. You have to add it here. So but we will do it later on. First let us create our account. So just click on this skip button. So now if you want to install it on your mobile phone's LinkedIn, so you can give the mobile number here. So then you will be able to install this LinkedIn app on your mobile phone. But in my case, because I have already installed it, so I will just click on this skip button. And here, just to initiate the process, what you have to do, you have to just follow, as it is saying, it is recommended that you have to follow the 5 sources. It may be, you can see personalities, any organization, any institution, it may be there. So it is better to follow someone or up to 5 resources from here. You can follow, for example, I can follow these 5 from here, but I'm randomly following here. But in your case, you have to carefully select based on your interest, based on your industry, to whom you are following. So 5 I have already followed. So click on this finish button, and congratulations, your account is ready. It is now verified or confirmed. So let us try to understand a little bit about this account. So again, it will once again remind you to just build your networks, build your connections. So but as of now, I'm not going with anybody. So let me just click on this one. Now this is the interface of our LinkedIn. In future, whenever you will log into this LinkedIn account, you will be able to see these type of options are there. Now this area is about my profile and to whom I am following, how many people are following me. You will get that information here. And this information is your LinkedIn feed. It is similar to the Facebook, where we have, if anybody is sharing something, anybody is updating something, that information will be reflected here. It may be from your friends, or there may be the sponsored contact as well. So, and on this side you will see a few latest news from the LinkedIn and a few ads as well. Of course, we will talk about it later on. And this is important. This is the messaging. Any private message if someone is sending to you, you will be able to see those messages here, right? And how to start, how to create a post, you will see here. You can start a post, you can share photos, you can share the videos like any other social media platform. You can write the articles here. So these are the options that you can further use to be active in your, you can say, LinkedIn account. At the top we have few more options here like home, my network, if you're searching for jobs, any messaging, notification, and you will see few of the settings here. So in the next video I will talk about how to optimize your profile, because as of now we have just created our profile, but in LinkedIn your profile matters a lot. You have to be very expert, or you have to give very relevant information while you are creating the profile, because everybody is noticing you from your profile itself. So I will discuss it in the next video, that how to optimize your profile, what to add, what not to add. So all these things will be discussed in the next video. So just join me there. Thank you so much.